how to reset your Truist password. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can reset your Truist account password, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to reset your Truist account password, all you have to do is just go to truist.com and you're gonna see this type of interface where what you need to do is just click the sign in option from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you click the sign in option, if you had remembered your account details, you would be able to enter your user ID and password and log into your account without any issues whatsoever. But if you forgot your password, you can click the reset password link right over here next to the password button. Once you click the reset password option here, you're going to be taken to this page where first of all, of course, enter the email address associated with your account, then enter the last 5 digits of your social security number, and make sure to enter the user ID of your online banking account. Once you've done that, click the continue option. It will take you to the page where you can simply enter your new password without having to remember your old password. And that's all it takes to reset your Truist Bank online banking account password. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.